Hey, this is our R82 Wombat living seating system. It's a high-low base which comes in a hydraulic lever or an electric remote control. The great thing about the high-low base is it can access a variety of different environments, such as school and being able to get under tables, or at home where the child or client may be moving between the dining table into the kitchen, or like a young girl that I had, she was moving and playing the piano, which was super cool. The Wombat seating system comes in a variety of different accessories to make sure that your child is most comfortable and has all the postural supports. The Wombat also comes with a Solo base, which is a more simplistic base, high-low base, a bit like an office chair. The Solo also has a 90-degree swivel, so it means that the child can get in and out of the seating system as easy as possible.